this is the pattern I have designed. This pattern looks in way in this given variable. This variable holds this much of data. So the pattern is what, for that I have used the RE module. Okay, from that module, in this module, this is a method. Simply if I keep here, it is stating that def search is a function. Okay, if I keep this my mouse over this, it is clearly mentioning that def search. Okay, so it is a function, or you can say it is a method. So this method, it scan through string looking for a match to the pattern. So what is the meaning of, what is the role of this search method, a function? So it scan through string looking for a match to the pattern. So within this, for this pattern, it looks for a match within this given text. Okay, so now this indicates that this character, meta character, it looks for the starting of any word. Okay, any word. So this dollar symbol looks for if this text, this given data ends with this word. Dollar symbol used for ends with this symbol, this word. Okay, this caret symbol used for starting of this word. Okay, now let us see after that. So I will use if statement here, if condition. So if pattern, so after that if statement, it is to be terminated with the semicolon. Okay, so after it is expecting some indented black, it is expected for some indented black. Indented black means somewhat space. So one tab means 4 spaces. So now print bracket. Now put a string type of data here, match font for what? If pattern matches, if this pattern found in this pattern found in this given text, so it gives match font. Else means otherwise. Next condition, else print string type of data, no match font. Okay, if else conditions, they are conditional statements. This if else, they are conditional statement used for condition checking. Okay, condition is what? First condition is what? If pattern, this pattern, okay, matches, where should it checks for? Within this given text. Within this given text, it looks for this pattern. If it founds, so this text to be printed, match font. Else means otherwise, means if this condition is wrong, so next condition to be checked. So next condition, if it is wrong, so no match font. Okay, this statement to be printed. Next word, suppose if I want to check for any middle character, suppose if I want to check for any middle character, to check for middle character. So to check for middle character, then middle character means, so this, as I told you that this character, meta character caret, this is called caret symbol. Huh? So if in front of any word, if I keep this one, means this which word start from this word. Okay, any word starting from this on. Dollar symbol means any word ending with this land word. Okay, next, so for this, to check for middle character or any word, middle character or any word. So that moment, so one more pattern, this is one pattern, so one more, every time, every fetch you need to design the pattern. So here you take it as a pattern 1, pattern 1. Okay, now pattern 1 is equal to what? Again we need to search for, we need to use this module and the function. Okay, now within this we need to search for what. Suppose if I want to search for WH, is a middle, in the middle of the this one. Okay, where should it, within this variable, txt variable, this variable holds the data. Okay, close. Now next word, now if you simply you write print pattern, you call this variable. After that, let us check first of all whether what is happening here, whether this will be, if I click on this, what if I click on this, it will be executed. Here I am getting what? None. None means no any pattern found. None means no any pattern found. See, simply you clears the screen and you click on this button, run Python file. So nothing I am getting. Okay. Okay. So why? Because see, you are looking for in this pattern on. Okay, it is starting with on. Okay, if I remove this one, then what happened? Okay, Starland dollar. Why it is giving error? Because that string, no, the pattern, string pattern, that is to be ended with the quotes. That's why it is giving error. Okay, now it is okay. Now I am not getting any this one. Why? Because so this caret symbol used to search for this one.